So when you order your laptop, make sure it's properly sealed. Okay. There we go. Okay, what we have here is the information pack. Okay, this is information pack in various languages. Okay, this one is declaration of conformity. Okay, I like this laptop. Here we go. Charger, 3-pin power cable. Okay, so this is 3-pin power cable. Stick it inside and push it inside. Okay, it's 3-pin. So this laptop is Acer Aspire 3 with AMD Ryzen 3 processor. Okay, I'm going to plug this on the socket. Okay, there we go. I like the packaging. Here we go. Nice. Okay, you can see 128 gigabyte storage space. Okay, I like this laptop. Very economical and affordable. Very good for students and economical to run. 1080 full high definition. Okay, and with this laptop, whether you are browsing the internet, working on your documentation, or checking your email, this is what you need ideally for everyday computing, okay, and tasks. AMD Ryzen 3 processor.